Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can make a voice deeper on the Audacity software. So first you have to open up the Audacity software. Obviously click on the file option and then just simply select the audio or the music that you want to deeper your voice. Then just simply click on the effect option. Here you just need to scroll to the pitch and timbre, click on the change pitch, and now here you have to just give its value to the -3. And guys, once you give its value, just click on the preview option you are seeing here.
Hey there, audio enthusiasts. Ever
Now you'll see its pitch is changed, and I can just give its value to the -0.75. So it is the best.
Hey there, audio enthusiasts. Ever wondered how to take your audio?
So it can increase the voice deeper a little bit, but we have to apply the more effects. Click on the effects, go to the EQ and filters. Just click on the filter curve EQ. Once you click on that here, click on the preset and settings you are seeing on the top. Then just go to the factory preset. Now here you have to just simply click on the bass boost. And once you select it, just click on
Hey there,
preview.
audio enthusiasts. Ever wondered how to take your audio?
So now you will see it's make a voice deeper, but it's not compressed. So to compress our voice, click on the effect, go to the volume and compressor, click on the compressor, and now here you can simply click on the preset and settings you are seeing.
Hey there, audio enthusiasts. Ever wondered how to take your audio?
So guys, to compress this, click on the preset and setting, go to the factory preset, click on the default. Now you have to just click on the apply option. Now your voice is deeper.
Hey there, audio enthusiasts. Ever wondered how to take your audio recordings to the next level? Well, today's your lucky day because we're diving into the world of effects in Audacity.
And guys, this is how you can deeper your voice on Audacity with few clicks. And if you found this video useful, so please make sure you like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.